Problem A. Find two numbers whose sum is A if the product of square of one by the cube of the others is to be a maximum. First, let's create the equation. Let x and y be two numbers and the sum of two numbers is A. And for our next equation, it could be also x equals A minus y. Then, let S be the product of the square of one by the cube of the other. And now, let's substitute the value of x in equation B. So it will become S equals open parenthesis A minus y exponent of 2, then y cubed, then S equals, we will expand A minus y, so it will become A squared minus 2ay plus y squared and y cubed. Simplify, S equals A squared y cubed minus 2a raised to ay raised to 4 plus y raised to 5. For our next step, we will now differentiate s. So it will now become s prime is equals to 3 derivative of y cubed. We'll copy a squared y squared since 3 minus 1 minus 4 times 2 is 8 a y cubed since 4 minus 1, and then derivative of y raised to 5 is 5 y raised to 4, and then s prime is equals to y squared, then 3a squared minus 8ay plus 5y squared. To maximize, equate the equation to 0. So we will equate this. Y squared and parenthesis 3a squared minus 8ay plus 5y squared is equals to 0. So y squared is equals to 0. We will rearrange the given inside the parentheses. So it will become 5y squared minus 8ay plus 3a squared. For the next step, we are going to solve for the value of x and y using the quadratic formula. And we will now substitute the given. Y equals 8a positive negative square root of negative 8a squared minus 4 times 5 times 3a squared over 2a. A is 5. So let's simplify it. Y equals 8a positive negative square root of 64a squared minus 60a squared over 10. Y is equals to 8a positive negative square root of 4a squared over 10, and then y is equals to 8a positive negative of 2a, since it's the square root of 4a squared over 10. Then our y will be y is equals to 3 over 5a. Then our x will be 2 over 5a. This will be our x and y. For our last step, we will now check the maximum value of s. First is y is equals to 0, x equals a. The maximum value if a is less than 0. So let's substitute it. S equals a squared 0 cubed. S is equals to 0. The formula that is being used for substituting is S equals x squared y cubed. So let's now try the second one. Y equals a, x is equals to 0. Maximum if a is less than 0. So let's substitute it again to our equation. S is equals to 0 squared a cubed. So s is equals again to 0. Now let's try for the third time. Y is equals to 3 over 5a. X is equals to 2 over 5a. Maximum if a is greater than 0. These two given is from our answers in the quadratic formula that we have used, quadratic solution that we have used. So S, we substitute it now to our equation. S is equals to 2 over 5a squared 3 over 5a cubed, and the final answer would be 108 over 3,125 a raised to 5.